tell you verbally after. With me, you moving too fast. I know you want it.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Kasheera, aka KashTV. How y'all doing? So you guys, I'm coming on here to talk a little bit about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. For those of you who have no idea what it is, this video is for you. If you're more involved in the cryptocurrency space, I'm not an expert, but I'm gonna explain it to you guys from my understanding of it. There's a lot to know when it comes to cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, but honestly it can be a little bit confusing. And so I personally don't think that everyone needs to know every single thing there is to know about it like right away. You just need to know the basics to get involved. So that's what I'm going to be talking about, how I understand it and what you should know if you are a completely beginner and you're just wanting to jump in. So you guys know who Mark is, right? Mark started talking about Bitcoin about 9 months ago, and at the time, like, I didn't really know what he was talking about. Like, I had heard of Bitcoin a few years ago, but I just thought it was like play money. Like, I didn't think that it was like anything of value. So when Mark started talking to me about it, he like, baby, Bitcoin, oh my gosh, we gotta research everything there is to know about Bitcoin. I'm like, Mark, you need to calm down. So he kind of became obsessed and he started like researching all the time. Like, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm not even kidding. Like, Mark was just overdoing it. Like, he's like, I gotta learn everything there is to know about it. I'm like, okay, but like, what about us hanging out sometimes? You know, it was just cutting into our life. You know what I mean? It was cutting into our us time. So whatever, I was like, okay, let's let him figure out, like, how long did it take to figure out everything he needs to know about Bitcoin? Like, shouldn't be that complicated. So anyway, he finally got over the kind of obsession stage, but even still, I wasn't interested in it because I didn't really get it. Like, I didn't really get what the hype was. So fast forward to like now, and I finally get it. But I had to do a little bit of research on my own. Now, there's already YouTubers out there, guys, that explain exactly what Bitcoin is, and there's some that really do it well, some that will just leave you confused. Basically, from my understanding, Bitcoin is digital money, and it's backed by regular money. Okay, that's how I understand it. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is Bitcoin is the most popular coin out there, and it's the coin that started it all. But there's also a lot of other coins out there that are called altcoins, and those coins also have really big potential for like huge gains and profits. So, but everybody talks about Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is already doing a lot. Like, Bitcoin is already up there. Right, guys, so before I start talking about the other stuff, I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys know that there's this site called CoinMarketCap. And this is the site that really helped me understand it. You go on the site and you can see the top. You can see all the coins, but what you'll see at first is like the top 100 coins. And it shows you how much one coin is worth for each coin, the 24-hour volume, like how many people are invested in it. And it shows the charts of like the ups and downs of the coin's existence. So what you'll see is that it's not just about Bitcoin. There's like alright, I don't want to say a million, but there's like 1,000 plus other coins. Now, obviously, a lot of those coins are just like not even worth investing in. So that's where you want to get an understanding of how to pick a coin and how to decide what you want to invest in. So basically, go on CoinMarketCap, you check out these coins, and if you decide that you want to start investing in coins, the first step is getting a Coinbase account, which Mark had already set me up, you guys. Mark set me up a Coinbase account before I was even interested. Like, there was a day that it came that I was like, all right, Mark, I want some coins. And my Coinbase account was already set up because Mark had did that, which I appreciate that. And then, okay, so on Coinbase, basically, that's where you can buy the top coins. So Bitcoin, like Ethereum, Litecoin. And you're going to use whatever you buy in there to get the altcoins. Because for me, altcoins is where the real potential for making a lot of money is. So yeah, you're gonna get, like, say if you buy like Litecoin, you buy $20 of Litecoin, and then you want to use that $20 to invest in some penny coins, you know what I mean, or some coins that's even worth less than a penny. You can put $5 on a coin and just wait for it to grow, you know what I mean? Because if you buy a penny coin at $5, that's 500 of those coins, and then when it becomes worth $1, that's $500, and then when it goes up again, that's even more money. So that's kind of my basic understanding of it. Basically, it's backed by the money we put into it, and I believe that that's how the value increases. I could be wrong. Somebody, if y'all got any experts out there watching me, let me know. It's backed by real money, and that's what gives it value. But it's a digital currency, and so you can use it all around the world, and yeah, it cuts out, you know, the whole banking process and all that. And yeah, so that's my basic understanding of it. But what's exciting is, like what I was telling you guys about those low cost coins, like you can invest like $100 and get like, well, invest in just like a few coins and then just watch that investment grow, because like it's almost guaranteed to grow, but then also it is going to be going up and down. But for my experience, you guys, so okay, I have about 30 plus coins, right? And so far I've invested like, I'm investing small, you guys, because you know I'm kind of new to it. So I invested like $150, and right now my portfolio is at about $500. So obviously you can tell some of my coins increased. I got one coin that really increased in value, so it was kind of cool, because like basically I go on CoinMarketCap and I look to see which coins are like really cheap and but that a lot of people are interested in, and that's pretty much how I decide which coins to invest in. Y'all, I invested $5 in a coin. I think I got 200 of them, and then like within a month or two that coin shot up, and so my $5 investment had turned to like $200. It was something like that. I was like, whoa. So it's exciting to see when it grows, but then you also have to know that it's going to go down too sometimes. So it's like a long-term savings sort of thing. So you can't be all like looking at it every day, and I really don't think you have to be obsessed. You just invest a little just to get your feet wet, see what it does, try to let your intuition guide you, or whatever you call on to guide you, and yeah. So I'll put a link to Coinbase. You get your coins, you get the main coins on Coinbase. There's like, I think 4 or 5. And then you send those coins to an exchange. I use Cryptopia. Most of my coins are on Cryptopia. Then once you're on the exchange, you can buy other coins. Now figuring out how to buy other coins and stuff, it's really not that complicated, but you probably will need to watch a video or something. So I'll put my links in the description box. I think they do have like an affiliate kind of thing where if you sign up to Coinbase, we both get money after you invest a certain amount. So I thought that was pretty cool. So I'll put my links, because why not? And yeah, I'm excited to invest in more coins, but it's just so crazy how many coins there are. And like, my advice is to go on CoinMarketCap and then check out some coins, click on their website so you can see what the coin is about. Because there, like I said, there's coins for everything: music coin, art coin, virtual reality coin, technology coin. Like, there's a lot of coins. Alright, you guys, so I hope I explained it well, and I will see you guys in the next video. Oh my gosh, I just realized I was looking at myself the whole time. Girl. But yeah, you guys, so I actually did cut off a little bit in the front. I like how it looks, you know? I like it. I'm growing it out, my little fro. Alright, I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys.